What's up, guys? My name is Tony, and this is AJV, where audio joins video. Today we're doing a quick unboxing of the Arcam AV41 preamp processor. I put an order in back in May from the Best Buy Magnolia. Finally got it in. Let's just open this up and see how it looks. Now, I've been looking forward to this for a while. I cannot wait to get my hands on this. This is the AV41, which is similar to the AV40. Big difference is going to be we're getting 8K support. And I believe you'll also be able to upgrade your die rack in order to do subwoofer stuff, extra subwoofer processing. So we got the Arcam booklet right here. I've already read the manual a couple times, and no need to see that. And I'm not seeing anything else. Maybe some cables down at the bottom. I'm gonna gently pull this out. Okay, just gonna toss that right down there. And in the box, you have your antennas for Wi-Fi and Bluetooth, USB microphone, power cable, and the classic Arcam remote, as well as batteries. And then this is what we've all been waiting for. Just gonna pick this up right here. Everything looks fairly clean. This is the bottom. Just gonna get that off there real quick. I cannot wait to see this. I'm surprised there's no venting on the top side. I think there'll be a little bit of venting. And here it is. I think it's around 18 pounds. Doesn't feel super heavy. Feels solid. Oh, it's beautiful. Nice knob there. I don't see any ventings on the sides. I'll show you the bottom real quick. And then there is the back. Beautiful. I cannot wait. I'm going to go plug this in right now, see how it sounds with the Bowers & Wilkins and Rotel amps. And we'll get back to you with a review, see how it turns out. Once again, my name is Tony with AJV, where audio joins video. Feel free to give a like and subscribe. Comment, let us know what we can do. Have a good day.